Hi, my name is Pancho Mendiola and my mission is to improve the e-commerce ecosystem in Mexico and Latin America. I am 35 years old and I have two beautiful kids. When I was in college, me and some friends started running clandestine parties and I got hooked with the rush of creating and selling all sort of stuff. So I dropped out of school and became a full-time entrepreneur. My first successful brand was Ajal, a natural cosmetics brand where I learned about R&D, logistics, manufacturing, marketing, e-commerce, and a lot of other stuff. The problem was that the e-commerce ecosystem here in Mexico was not ready yet. We didn't have FedEx, we didn't have payment gateways. As soon as we got all that stuff, I started selling online. So I went full on learning about how to do an online store, how to do email marketing. And when we launched our site, after 6 months, the online store managed to sell the same amount as all the other business units combined, which were the brick and mortar stores, 12 of them, and around 300 small retailers that sold our products. Then I became a consultant, and with one of my clients, we managed to triple his sales. So then we became partners and started a development agency. We started to get a lot of leads, but then I realized that these people lacked basic knowledge about e-commerce, like concepts and how stuff works. So I decided to start a podcast and a YouTube channel. Then my viewers started to ask me for more content, so I created a Patreon account, which then ended up in the community that now is builders.tv. In this platform, I offer guidance, courses, workshops, masterclasses, and one-on-one sessions to help my community members just not only start but thrive with their online stores. I am very proud that Shopify, the platform which I use and recommend, is recognizing my job, giving me the first Shopify Education Partner badge in Latin America. I need your help growing this business so I can help thousands of online store owners to start and grow and thrive their online businesses. Thank you very much.